Okay guys, today we're going to go ahead and do up a Uniden 78XL. As you see, we did it up with the real jeweled knobs, blue TXRX, right on transmit, blue meter light. It's been super tuned. Also got your diamond plate covers. Overall, it's pretty clean. Got one little stuff right there on the face, but nothing too dramatic. Just a little dirt needs wiped off. Ain't too bad. Other than that, we're gonna go ahead and take her over to watt meters, check her out, see how she's doing. With 20 watt scale, we're on a dummy load. 4 watt dead key. Audio. Turn up the mic gain. Audio. You see, take out the 20 watt scale, take up the 200 watt scale. Audio. That's about 35 watts. And again, that's on the Uniden PC78. And we're going to take her over to the antenna side and see how she's doing. There you go. Getting the buttons figured all out here, it'll be alright. Untangle my microphone here. Breaker 19 for radio check.
Loud and clear.
10-4 and loud and clear. Appreciate it. Where you at?
Over on Route 40 in, what's this, Cookersville?
Oh, 10-4 in Cookersville. Not good deal. Appreciate it. Well, Uniden PC78 down here at CB shop.
Hey, we're doing a pretty good job here.
Good deal. Well, I appreciate it there, driver. Got some pretty jeweled knobs and stuff on her. Diamond plate top and super tuned.
Yeah, well, loud and clear.
10-4. Alright, man. You have a great day, man. Be safe out there on these nasty roads.
We're just saying, where you at? You don't want a TA or pilot?
Nah, actually neither one. We're right here on State Route 40 down the street from the Industrial Parkway here. Right here at the 118 exit. Right here where the U-Hauls are. We own the U-Haul shop too.
Oh, okay, I got you. I know where you at. Alright, be good.
You too, man. Stop on in when you get a chance. Check us out. Sure to give him a pull and hang out.
Sure will.
Alright, man. 73. See you guys. Have a good one. We'll be on 16. Have a great day. Thanks for the radio check.
Nemo.
CB shop just standing by. Like I said, everything works. SWR, calibrate. Everything's good to go. My gain, RF gain, delta tune, SWR, calibrate. Same thing as the Cobra 29. Yeah, everything worked great. And it's for sale. 73s, and we're gone.